chaps, we're going to tell all you big babies all about tears and the different types.
There are 3 types of tears: basal tears, emotional tears, and reflex tears.
Basal tears are the first type of tears we are going to be talking about. Unlike other tears, basal tears are always present in our eyes. They are what keep our eyes moist. If we did not have them, we would not be able to see. Now we are going to ask Lord Sauron of Mordor what he has to say about his eye, because he cannot produce basal tears due to the fact that his eye is a huge ball of fire. I'm guessing his eye is very dry. Lord Sauron of Mordor, how does your eye feel? As I suspected, Sauron's eye is very dry due to the lack of basal tears. Well, it might also have to do with the very smoky conditions in Mordor. Now you see, if Sauron was a normal chap, to deal with all the smoke, he would produce reflex tears, but of course he isn't. He's a flaming eye. Well, I'll teach you about reflex tears since you have them.
Reflex tears are what happens when your eyes are irritated. It cleans and protects them.
And here's an example. We now go to Yoda's class of youngling Jedi.
Focus on the onion, you must. Feel the tears flow.
Yoda's students will be experiencing some reflex tears as their eyes try to wash out the onion irritant. Now we're going to ask Saruman, the fallen wizard, what he has to say about Frodo's quest and how Mordor made him have reflex tears. So Saruman, how did Mordor and Frodo's journey give him reflex tears?
There was a hobbit. He bore the ring ever towards the dark land of Mordor, and his eyes watered as he approached the dry land of fire.
It seems that Frodo had reflex tears as he approached the dry and smoky land of Mordor. Now we are going to be talking about our final type of tear, emotional tears. Emotional tears begin when the ocular area gets the signal that a strong emotion is being had. Your ocular area then releases teardrops, emotional tears. Many scientists believe that these emotional tears contain toxins that come from being highly stressed. So tears are good for you. They release toxins from your body. Oh dear, I see that Marvin the Martian over there is having some emotional tears himself. Whatever is the matter, Marvin?
My space cruiser crashed and I got a big boo-boo.
Oh dear, Marvin, I do hope you feel better. Well, chaps, now that we've told you about the different types of tears, we're now going to tell you what's in them. You see, different types of tears have different amounts of these things in them, but they all have the same things, for the most part. All tears contain salt, mucus, water, proteins, and oil. And as I already mentioned, some scientists believe that emotional tears also contain toxins from high stress.
And that is all you need to know.
Goodbye.